Good day my Stitchy family and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you a beautiful unboxing from Biggestcraft. That is www.biggestcraft.com. Now as you all know, Biggestcraft is only a cross stitch store. So they specialize in cross stitch only. You can get anything cross stitch your heart desire there. The new beaded cross stitch. They have all the new beaded cross stitch. They've got new style. They've got cross stitches as low as $2.99. They did separate their brands. That is amazing. They've got the cross stitch craft and they sell all the tools and accessories you can dream of and much more. Now, Biggestcraft is an amazing store. The shipping is quick. It only takes longer when you order new style. Now I've got some new style stuff here for you. It's video 1. Next week I'll do 2. And I hope you like it. Their customer service is great. And I love their products. So you can go there, shop with a nice heart, knowing that you will get your stuff. They do everything to help me. I'm talking out of my own experience. And I just love them. Now that is not all. If you want to save a little bit more at Biggestcraft, you type in my discount code, which is Rella2 for extra $2 off. Now also, if you order for $49 or over, you get free shipping and it's tax free. Now, they are still running the Halloween sale. So there's about 2 days left, almost 2 days left. Now what that is, now you guys are seeing on the screen, over $40 you save $2.99 and the discount for that is $2.99 off. Then you get $2.99 off. And listen to this, you only have to spend $1 to get 18% automatic off. Over $59, 21% automatically gets deducted. Over $99, you save 24% off. So if you spend $99, you get 24% off. You put in your discount code. Man, that is big savings. Alright, I am very excited about this. We've all said and done. Let's begin. Now, which one are we starting with? Let's start with her. So they are my hippie chicks. And I think they're amazing. The only thing is I know it's Huacan. So let's pray for 40 colors at least or over. But you never know. Let's have a look. You guys are looking at her. Let's get the noisy paper away. And let's have a look here. Alright, I like the new tubes they use. There's 5 needles, needle threader, and they in a little tube. I almost said poof ball, but the poof balls are gone. I like these tubes. They're amazing. Okay, let's have a look. Let's see the colors first. Because, okay, no. It's printed on my favorite shiny foam. This foam is extra durable. But remember, do not get it wet in front. You're not going to be happy. It's going to wash away. It's not water resistant. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm very happy. We've got 44 colors. And as you can see, Huacan also prints the picture now on there. And it's a beautiful, clear picture. 11 count, 50 by 50 centimeters. Your instruction leaflets in the small corner here. You don't really need that. And 44 colors. 190 stitches by 190 stitches. And she looks good. You see what's going on here. Everything is there. This is gonna look gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright, so the pattern is excellent and I'm very happy. I've got 40. I know it's Huacan. And at a stage I only printed, their max color was 40. Well, I got 42. So, no, I'm not complaining. Now let's look at this Ada. Bright white Ada. Okay, it's serged all the way around for our convenience. The printing is excellent. It's dark, 44 colors, 11 count, 50 by 50 centimeters, 190 stitches by 190 stitches. Now I just want to see something here. What colors are these? Number 2. Oh, they've got nice colors here. It must be purple and blue, and it looks like it is. Nice. This is going to come out very, very nice, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Let me show you from close up. Very beautiful product. I love it. Now, what I want to tell you is that I will leave all the links of these products in the description box, as well as all the info I just gave you before we opened this. Alright, so let's have a look. They are on floss drops. Look at the splendid colors. I think it's going to come out a bit darker than on the picture, I think. Yeah, I think it will be a bit darker, but it's amazing. I love it. This is going to look so, so pretty. Alright, so let's see this 42 colors from close up. And then I want to look at something else quickly. Beautiful. Alright, what I want to have a look at quickly is the clothes supposed to be purple and blue. I think it's going to be maroon, but let's see. Number 2 is 154. Oh, I don't want to make a mess out of it. Please don't let me make a mess out of this. Sorry guys, we're gonna look. There's 154. Oh, and it's purple. It's plum. That is great news. And then the other number is the... what is that? Okay. Number 32. And number 32 is 939. That's going to be dark blue. How's that going to work? I know 939. I might be wrong. Let's just double check because I'm luck. No, there it is. 939. And I am destroying this. Okay. I will have to do this. I'm looking. I think it's navy blue. 939. Dark blue. Yeah, so that's not light blue, it's dark blue. But those two colors are going to look splendid together. Alright, so this is going to look very nice. I am super duper happy. Well done. Thank you, Biggestcraft. It is beautiful. I love it. Alright, so while I pack away, I want to ask if it's your first time watching my videos, please hit that subscribe button. By doing that, you motivate me to make more videos, and it's for free. And then, even if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, I know there's lots of people watching, but not subscribed. It's for free. If you want to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, press the like button if you like this video. And please leave me a comment in the comment box. I will get back to you, I promise. Alright, so I'm still packing away. So used to looking at a picture, sorry. So that's my other hippie girl. She's got some crochet clothing on. And she's busy crocheting blocks. You all know that crochet. We all started with blocks, right? Okay, so let's have a look. 5 needles, needle threaded, thimble, and a little tube. Not a puff ball, it's in a tube. Very, very nice. Can reuse that. Let's see this. Let's start like we started the other one. Alright, it's on my favorite shiny foam for durability. Remember not to get this wet in the front. It's not water resistant, and I'm going to swallow my tongue. It is Huacan. I got 45 colors from Huacan. Hi, you guys are rocking here. What's happening? Oh, I'm very happy. 45 colors. Perfect. 11 count, 50 by 50 centimeters. Instruction leaflet printed on your pattern. 190 stitches by 190 stitches. And 45 colors. Imagine that. From Huacan. Yes, man. That is fantastic news. Let's have a look at this bright white canvas. As you can see, I like this bright white canvas. It's thicker. Okay, so what's that? Let me just see. What is this? This is her hat. And there's the rest of the hat with the holes in. Perfect. It's going to look very, very nice. It just looks like that because it mixes in with the sky here as well. So now this is going to look at all the detail. 45 colors. I'm super happy with this, I must tell you. 11 count, 50 by 50 centimeters, 190 by 190, and 45 colors. Printing is excellent. Look at that. All right. I'm very nicely surprised. 45 colors. Now let's have a look at this. It never gets old. The threads, when you open them, you just get the feeling of your stitch, right? Oh, and it never does. It never gets old. It's so pretty. Oh, my stitchy soul. All right, so let's have a look here. They all have floss cards. I told you there is 45 colors. Let's have a look here. All right, so they've got dirty white, and they're going to mix it with this green. But it looks white when you work it. Look how nice this looks. It's for all the balls of wool. Very pretty. I love it. Perfect. Beautiful product. Look at that. Amazing. Look at that. Very beautiful. I absolutely love hippie. The whole hippie style. I think I've got a hippie soul. I just love it. Right, let me just pack these together. So I love this, and while I pack this away, I want to take the opportunity to thank Biggestcraft. Thank you so much. This is amazing. I love this product. Thank you so, so much. Then to you, my viewer, please remember to go and check in at Biggestcraft. They've loaded new stock. There's beautiful things. And make use of the Halloween sale. It's a lot of discount. You get more for your buck. So it's absolutely worth it. Then thank you for always watching and supporting me. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Well, till next time, lots of love. Stitcha-Rella.